In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove filler words from the audio, music, or soundtracks in Capcut Online PC completely for free in 2024 in less than 1 minute. Okay, so let's get started. Drag your video clip that you want to remove the audio or filler words onto the timeline like so. Right-click your video clip on the timeline and click Transcript-Based Editing. Once this loads, you will see a screen on the left side, which is the transcription tab or the tool, and basically all the text that you have here is all within the video. Now you want to click this, which says remove filler words, which is a free online Capcut PC desktop feature. Click remove filler words. As you can see, there are 7 pauses, 3 hesitations, and 0 repetitions. For all of these filler and dry space words, Capcut Online PC has detected it for you automatically, completely for free. Now you want to click delete. And voila, 10 filler words have been deleted. As you can see, the before and the after. This is now the new video length with all of the filler words and dry space or audio, music, track, sound pieces completely deleted for free. And if we click on our timeline, you can notice that Capcut actually did us a huge favor to save us time editing. As you can see, every cut has been made on our video timeline, which will save us drastically a lot of time when we're editing free videos on online Capcut PC. Thanks for watching this free online video editing tutorial for Capcut. If you want to watch more free videos, consider dropping this video a like, subscribing to the channel, and watching more of my videos in the linked comment or the playlist description.